YouTube? It's your boy Dame, you feel me? I'm back with another banger, bro. This is going to be a different video, man. I'm doing a POV. My mom want me to go grab some milk from the store and things like that. Y'all gonna see me driving, y'all gonna see me in the store, all of that. Y'all see that up there? I will get to 1K subs. I will be consistent, and I promise I will make it, man. And y'all here to see me on that journey to that stuff. Subscribe if you try and get some bread. But that's besides the point. We finna head out back. There I go. Oh, wait, hold on. Bro, I have a lot of shoes. Like, a lot of shoes. So let me know if y'all want to see me do, like a sneaker video or something like that. And I'll bring that for y'all in my next upcoming video. All right, now, let me grab the keys. We out, son. Time to go. All right, y'all. We in the V. We in the V now. And we about to be out, son. I'll pick y'all up when we get on the road. All right, bro. We on our way there. Yeah. Bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I want to move, son. I'm trying to move to Atlanta, bro. I'm trying to move out. Like, I'm trying to go somewhere, bro. I'm trying to move somewhere nice. Like, I'm thinking, like, by the time I graduate, where would I want to move? As of right now, if I'm staying in America, bro, I want to move to, like, Atlanta. I'm trying to look into Seattle so I can see what that's like. Woo! Woo! That was a good job. But I'm trying to look into Seattle and things of that nature. I was originally thinking about Texas, like Houston or Dallas, or something like that. But they be having too much situations going on, man. I don't got time. I don't want no parts. I'm cool. You feel me? So I want y'all to let me know what y'all think, where y'all think I should move. You feel me? Like right now, Atlanta is probably the best idea because there's a lot of black content creators there right now, and I feel like it would be like better for people to it would be better for people to like notice you feel me, and things of that nature, and you'll be able to build with other people that's trying to do the same thing as you. So I feel like that's a good idea. But y'all let me know, like, where would y'all move and things of that nature? What would y'all do in my situation if y'all wanted to move somewhere but y'all didn't know where to move and things like that? Dang, that was a big pothole, bro. Bro, if you not from Philly, bro, and you plan on moving here, you need to know that, like, these potholes out here is dangerous. Like, bro, these potholes out here is dangerous. Like, you could really hurt yourself or hurt somebody else with these potholes, bro. Like the city really gotta fix these drones, because these drones gotta be illegal. There's no way these is legal, bro. There's no way. It can't be. Impossible, twin. Impossible. But I'm almost at the store. Things of that nature. It's about to be a lot of traffic up here, so I might cut the camera off if I get in traffic and then just wait to see what happens when we get into the store and things like that. But yeah, man. Bro, I really hope y'all been enjoying my content lately, bro. I feel like I've been doing kind of good, you feel me? I feel like I've been being kind of consistent, you feel me? I've been posting like every 2 days, every 3 days, things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? As I'm speaking, I finished editing a video before I started recording this, and that's going up today. This video probably gonna come out 2 days after the video. Bro, it don't matter, bro. But basically, bro, I've been trying to be consistent, bro. I've been coming up with content ideas, you know, trying to stay out the box and things of that nature, trying to do different stuff. I'm not trying to stick to one thing, you know. I want to be versatile, twin, if that makes sense. Yeah, bro. Dang, bro, this light taking long as hell. Yeah. Man, on that note, I'm gonna just pick this back up when we get in the store, man. Dang, bro. The walk is devious. Cuz walking like he got a problem. It is. Oh, there's no traffic on City Line Avenue? What? That's different. Well, it might be traffic up there. There's no traffic down here right now. Hold on. Is that a Challenger I see? Or is that a Camaro? What is that? What is that? Hold on, wait a minute. This is a TRX. Oh my God, a TRX. That joint tough. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that was kind of Joe with me. But it's hard though. Like, I love this color. Ooh, you hear it? Oh, that's a Camaro. That thing nice. That TRX is tough, bro. Bro, I want every Mopar, bro. I want every Mopar, bro. I want a Trackhawk. I want the Chrysler 300 Hellcat. I want the Charger Hellcat. I want a Demon 170. And then I want a TRX, boy. This thing tough. This thing huge, boy. This thing huge, boy. Wow, that thing nice. But, like I said, bro, it's traffic out here. So I'm going to catch y'all, big bro. Is that a Blackwing? Nah, that's not a Blackwing. I'm tweaking. But I'll catch y'all, bro. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. I might not have to catch y'all. Yeah. Well, we about to walk in the store, twin, so y'all, yeah, I'll pick y'all up when we get in the store, twin. Alright, bet. Alright, twin. We finna walk in the store now, big bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. It's hot. It's mad hot. Alright, bet. Yeah, bro. It's super hot. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm burning up out this joint. But it's cool. We finna go in, get the stuff, and we gonna leave out. That simple. Bro, the crazy thing is, bro, I used to work here, bro. It's like my third job ever, twin. But we gotta get milk, sour cream, and cream cheese. Alright. We're looking for sour cream. She said, alright, Philadelphia. Of course, we're in Philadelphia, so gotta get that. Sour cream, cream cheese, boom, and milk. Let's see, where the milk at? Oh, the milk over there. Alright, bet. Dang, bro, I gotta put the camera down. I gotta hold the milk. Alright, bet. Bro, so far, this it, bro. We got Frosted Flakes. That's the strawberry cheesecake, John. I ain't never had that, so we got it. And Fruity Pebbles. But yeah, we got cinnamon rolls. About to get some ice cream. And then we're done, son. We gotta find some ice cream now. My bad. We gotta find some ice cream. Let's see. But I just want regular vanilla, twin. I don't want nothing extra. Homemade vanilla bean. Vanilla bean be on a bean. Yeah, we never go for the one in the front, twin. Or French vanilla. I'm in the French, you know. A bon voyage. A bonjour. The wee wee glove. We getting that French vanilla, that bonjour, that wee wee. Pause. And that's it, too. Sour cream milk. What's this? Sour cream. Wait, sour cream cheese milk. My dad wanted some kiwis. Since we got milk, we had to get cereal. With the milk, I need cereal. These joints unhealthy, but we got to do it with that. And my mom wanted ginger ale too, and that's it. We done, bro. There's no reason, bro. I got like 10 items, bro. This joint looks like 100, they drunk. But we on the way back to the view. Ain't not too crazy, it's fine. Lean over the boat and you tilt. Oh shit, that shit still. Oh, that Tesla is tough. That Tesla is tough. Alright. What you doing? You backing up? Okay. Bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You might see a lot of nice cars in Philly, bro. Like Philly, the views be tough. The views be nice. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm about to put this stuff in the car. I'll see y'all when we get in that John. Anyways, y'all. I guess that's a success, big bro. Yo, this song is like tough. Like I could listen, bro. This song is hot, bro. You mean? But we just gonna go ahead and end the video off there, bro. I'm gonna say that this video was a success, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Share it to everybody you know and more. That stuff. We need to get to that 1K. Yeah, man. From that 1K, we gotta go to 10K. Oh, I ain't know they was trying to park. My fault, OG. My fault, cousin. But yeah, man, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Share it to everybody you know and more. Like if you know him, share it to him, cuz that's gang. You mean? Support that stuff. Share it to everybody you know and more, bro. Like, you mean, put your friends on, put your family on. You mean? We share stuff like this over here. But yeah, man. Share it, post it, all that. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.
And I need me to do. If I ain't get paid, I ain't doing the show. Shit, I'm finna